Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to completely install the Windows 7 64-bit on your virtual machine. Previously, we talked about how to put your Windows installation media into your drive, and this is my ISO file. I talked about it previously. I put it inside my drive, and it's ready for my VirtualBox. Great. If you don't understand anything about it, you should refer to my previous tutorial. Click on it and let's start our virtual machine. The virtual machine, in fact, is something like the real PC. Fill out this one and be patient for loading and preparing the installation of Windows 7. This is my Windows 7 installation process. So be patient. My intention of this course is not talking about the installation of Windows 7, and I show this for you only to help you for better understanding of testing your application in C# or VB.NET in virtual machines. Come to next and install now. I assume that you currently know how to install the Windows 7, and I want to install Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit. Come to next and I accept the license agreement. You should read all of this carefully and come to next. So click this one, and this is my virtual disk, and click on it. Click over here and no, I want to create my first drive, or in fact drive C, about 2000 megabytes or 20 gigabytes. In fact, 2000 megabytes means 20 gigabytes. Apply and great. So the Windows created this automatically for me. It's system reserved, and this is my drive C. I format it and great. It's about 20 gigabytes, and this is unallocated disk space or unused disk space. Come to new and let's create my next drive with the remaining space. Apply. So it's about 21.4 gigabytes, and let's format it. Great. I want to install my Windows 7 on my first drive. This is my first drive, and this is not my first drive. Why? Because it's system reserved over here. So select this and come to next. The only thing I need is some patience. So you should be patient and stay with me with my great upcoming stage, and stay with me. The process of installation takes about 10 up to 30 minutes, so be patient. Welcome back. Now I need to restart my computer, and don't press anything so you can see the result. Currently I'm in completing installation phase of my Windows 7 installation process, so be patient. And another auto restart by my Windows installation, and don't press any key on your keyboard. So this is the result. Okay, excellent, congratulations. Let's write my username. For instance, me, and this is my computer name, me PC. Come to next, and you should type your password. Let's write 11111 and space over here. Come to next, and in this step you should write your registration key that you bought, and it's on your installation media cover. So I write it and come to next. Now let's use this one and use recommended settings, and click this one and select your location and your time and date of your computer and come to next. Select home network. Why? Because I want to connect to my home network. And if you want to connect to your public network or work network, you can choose this or this one. Select home network and be patient. The process of installation is really simple and straightforward, and it's not difficult one, so you can easily learn it. Another restart, and I think this time the installation is completed. Congratulations to you. Finally, we could install successfully our Windows 7 in my virtual machine, and I'm really happy. Write my password and let's log in. This is really great moment for me. Why? Because I successfully could install my Windows 7 in my virtual machine. So this is my Windows 7, and if I wanna to see my Windows 7 in full screen mode, I can easily come over here in view, and you can see over here full screen mode, host plus F. So click on it and don't show switch. This is currently in full screen mode. Right click on it and screen resolution. So you can see the higher resolutions, for instance this one, I can select it and great, and keep changes. Now I can see full screen my Windows 7, and it's time to work with it. If I wanna get out of this window, I should come down over here. Now you can see this great window. Click over here for this one, or minimize this again and this. And in addition, you can come over here and full screen mode, or you can click on auto hide like this, so you can see this menu forever over here, or you can minimize it directly, or you can close this. If you wanna power off your machine, select this, and in fact this is like switching off your computer, and save the machine state, so this is something like hibernate on your computer. Let's select this one, and everything will save automatically. This time it depends on your hard drive speed, and it's really faster in SSD hard drives. This is save the state. Now this is the screenshot of my Windows, and everything is ready for me for working with my Windows. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and start installing your Windows 7 on your virtual machine, and stay with me with my great upcoming tutorial.